traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. And this time, tuning into my 3077th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, before we do anything else, one thing I didn't do in the last video when I stood in front of you and kind of bared my soul to tell you what had happened to our coin. I didn't do something because it wasn't appropriate in that video, but it is appropriate to do now. OMNIPHOENIX around the world that donated your coins to me, that allowed me to be in a position of power to wrestle our coin away and get it back under our hands, and now it's the OMNIPHOENIX. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Without you, this could have never happened. And because of you, I will work my fingers to the bones to get this coin up like we did on the last one. I've already taken down all the old websites on Twitter and Facebook and you name it that referred to the old site. I've revamped my site to refer to the new coin. I've already hired influencers and I'm hiring more. And I thank all of you for your defense of the coin over the last few days. The nice long holiday weekend, you OMNIPHOENIX were there to defend. I'm there to defend you as well. Thank you for everything you do. Just thank you so much for that. So I just wanted to get that out before we do anything else. Trading is risky. Please be careful in these markets. Always put your stops in first in any market that will allow. Get your stops in first before you ever get into a live position. So, traders, what's on the board? Well, for trading on Thursday, the Omni remains green. Once again, in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russ, we are buying the dips. Green Omni. Why? For the same reason I give you in every video for the last week. Because of crude oil and T-bonds. T-bonds are interest rates. Crude oil affects everything, every company, every one of us right in our pockets. These two markets, the stock market is just fixated on. And these two markets I have been, of course, showing you in every one of my videos. They are T-bonds and crude oil. Gold looks ugly, as does crude. Bonds rallying up is helping the stock market. So, crude down, bonds up, helping the stock market. I've got charts to show you that will prove that to you. And if crude continues, I'll be able to come up with some downward targets for us in the next couple of days. So let's hope that the crude continues, because that is helping. Crude down helps the stock market go higher. So bonds rallying, absolutely, at least up until today they rallied, and that's been helping. Crude going down, that's been helping. Gold's looking ugly because interest rates have slowly been going down and less need for gold, right? Chart-wise, it looks ugly. The Omni on gold is ugly. Now, why is the stock market continuing to go higher? Is it just those two? Well, of course, those aren't the only two markets that are pushing the stock markets higher. On top of everything else, we've got this, traders. There's no way this market gets to go down yet. You know why? On June 12th, we've got the largest IPO ever dreamed of being released on this planet, SpaceX, right? Now understand, just let me put this in perspective. Can you see this, David? Can you see the paper? Down by the lowest black mark down here, that represents Aramco, if you will, which was the largest IPO ever released in the world, and it came in at about 25 billion. You know where that puts it? Down here on the chart. Now let's look. We are going to do an IPO with Elon Musk. This is the largest IPO that's ever happened. This is in billions. 25. We're going, oh, not there, not there, not there, not there, not there, not there. We're coming out up here minimum at 80 billion to 1 trillion. All of this work needs to be done between now and June 12th. We're talking 15 days. We're not going down, at least not until this is done. You can't go down. There's $80 billion coming in to one stock. It's got to help buoy the market, right? Maybe $1 trillion's coming in. Who knows? Now, could there be capitulation after that day? Well, lots of times, strange things happen after a big happening we've all been waiting for and waiting and building up, and it finally happens, and then sometimes you will get a pullback. I'm not going to say that's happening for sure, but I will tell you this. One of the first times Bitcoin ever made a really ridiculous rally and just took off was right before the CME was going to start doing Bitcoin futures. And it rallied and rallied and rallied and rallied, and the futures came out, and that was the top of Bitcoin for quite some time. No, I'm not telling you that's going to happen with this IPO when it comes out, but this is the biggest IPO that's ever happened. It's going to mean something when it finally comes out. In between now and June 12th, I don't think we're going down much. You might get a few down days here and there, but the reasoning is in place technically. Fundamentally, I just showed you the IPO that's coming out. That's in place too. We buy the dips. That's what we have planned. Traders, I've got an Omni camp coming up that is 4 days here in Las Vegas. That is June 26th through the 29th. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It is 4 full days of immersion with me teaching you Oscar's market navigational indicator, the Omni. I will teach that to you. I want to make sure you know it. You're going to show it back to me on Sunday night before Monday even happens. And on Monday, you're going to prove to me that you did really well with the Omni, that you've learned. And I'm going to send you home with a brand new laptop programmed by me so that when you go home, you've got everything that you had when you were with me, and I will give you continued education if necessary. I've got 2 trading rooms. One of them I let Omni campers go to after camp, and we can speak privately there. All of this is waiting for you. All you need to do is go to OMNIBootcamp.com right now and fill out those OmniCamp applications. Time is ticking. There's 3 weeks left. I've got to prepare for you. You want to learn the Omni? OmniBootcamp.com. What did the Omni do today? We killed it in NASDAQ. Did we not kill it in NASDAQ, kids? We're going to have a nice trade on Thursday as well. You'll see. So make sure you fill out those OmniCamp applications. Make sure you like and subscribe to these videos. Leave your comments below. Absolutely buy the OMNIPHOENIX. We're going crazy on that. And now I want to say goodbye to you and hello. What does that mean? Well, first we're going to do our mantra, and then I'm going to show you some great charts. All right, are you with me? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Stop, sir. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. Now let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, here we are. This is what I was talking about for the last few moments. Look at crude oil. This is a perfect happening. Why? This is what I would call good juju. The price of crude is coming down. Now, look at how it's gotten below this average. Look at how it's paid respect to this average. Now watch this. Follow me. Look at the respect that gets paid to this average. Right? It's insane. Now we're below that average. This is good juju. If you mix that with this, T-bonds, good juju because they've been going up, which makes interest rates go down. These are the 2 things right now that the market is focused on, which is why I keep mentioning it in every video in the last few days and in tonight's presentation. These 2 things, crude and T-bonds, are what's making this happen for us. Let me see if I can find a quick chart for you. That's what's making this take place. Your NASDAQ, E-mini S&P, Russell, stock market, just exploding. This line represents the last previous high. Then we dipped down, hit the average, and exploded through those highs. And with crude dropping and interest rates dropping, this should continue. Now, nothing goes straight up, right? How do we know that? Well, if we take a look at, well, let's just grab a little shape here. If we take a look at this, we were going up, 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 but nothing goes straight up. And then we do it again, even on the way up, down day, right? Nothing goes straight up, but this has been powerful. A down day or 2 does not wreck this market. You cannot listen to the lunatics when they come screaming, that's it, this is the big blow off top. When it happens, we're all going to know. You cannot have a market this expensive. It's $30,000, the price of NASDAQ. It doesn't just fade away quietly. You know what I mean? When the day comes, it wants to start going down. It's going to capitulate. We have not seen that yet. What else did I want to show you in this video? Check this guy out. I think it's somewhere up here. 3, yes. Boom. Look at gold. Gold is just looking terrible. And with crude coming down, bonds going up, which is lowering interest rates, and the dollar rallying, it's putting nothing but weight on crude, and we've got, on gold, and we've got a red Omni for trading on Thursday. Now, gold has switched to Q. Traders, this is very important. Do not mess yourselves up. M is no longer the month. M, no. We have rolled over to August. Q. Q is good. M, no longer good. If you're going to trade gold, you're trading the August month. Please remember that in futures. Q. E, GCQ 26. The M will get you in trouble these days. It's not enough volume in there to trade, so we've rolled over to August. I don't like the way it looks. I say we sell the rallies in gold and believe in that Omni, as I always do. And this is what I wanted to show you. I hope this helped. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you fill out your OmniCamp applications. We've got 3 weeks to go. If you're coming, fill out that application today.